There are moments when the most difficult person to escape is yourself. The mind brings back the conversation from 3 years ago. It rehearses an argument that hasn't happened. It imagines rejection, illness, failure, then makes your body react as though the danger is already here. So, what do? Stop following it. Walk through nature and you'll understand. A path becomes a path because something keeps traveling over the same ground. The human mind is remarkably similar. The more often you travel a thought, I'm not enough, something bad is going to happen, I'll never get through this, the easier that path becomes to travel again. But here is what many people never realize. You are not required to go wherever your mind leads you. When a destructive thought appears, don't wrestle with it. Notice it. Feel your feet on the ground. Take a slow breath. Now, name 3 things you can see. Listen for something you can actually hear. Bring your awareness out of what the mind is imagining and back into what is actually happening right now. Then, choose a different direction. Because your brain can change. New pathways strengthen, old ones weaken. Perhaps this is one of life's greatest freedoms. You may not control every thought that enters your mind, but you can stop giving every thought your footsteps. The mind may show you the path. You decide whether to walk it.